Have you ever thought about investing in real estate? It might seem like a big leap, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it's a journey anyone can embark on. Today, we're breaking down the process into clear, easy-to-follow steps. First, educate yourself. The world of real estate investing is vast, and it's essential to understand the basics before diving in. Read books, take online courses, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars. Familiarize yourself with terms like cash flow, return on investment, and equity, and learn about different types of investment properties such as residential, commercial, and industrial. Next, set your goals. Are you looking for a quick return on investment or a long-term income stream? Your goals will guide your investment strategy, whether it's flipping houses for a profit or renting out properties for steady income. It's time to plan your finances, determine how much you can afford to invest without jeopardizing your financial stability. Remember, real estate investing involves risks, and it's crucial to have a safety net. Explore financing options like mortgages, hard money loans, and private money lenders. Now, gather a team. Real estate investing isn't a solo sport. You'll need professionals like real estate agents, attorneys, accountants, and contractors on your side. They'll provide the expertise and advice you need to make informed decisions. Once you're educated, goal-oriented, financially prepared, and backed by a team, it's time to find a property. Look for properties in areas with strong market trends like population growth, job growth, and increasing rental rates. Evaluate potential properties based on your investment strategy and financial goals. After finding a suitable property, it's time to make an offer. Negotiate the price and terms and ensure the deal aligns with your investment strategy. Once the offer is accepted, conduct a thorough property inspection to avoid any surprises down the road. Finally, manage your investment. Whether you're renting out the property or preparing it for sale, effective management is key to a successful real estate investment. You might choose to hire a property manager or handle it yourself, depending on your skills and availability. So there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start your journey in real estate investing. To summarize, you need to educate yourself, set your goals, plan your finances, gather a team, find a property, make an offer, and manage your investment. Each step is essential in the process, and with patience and persistence, you can navigate the world of real estate investing and build your wealth. Remember, real estate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires time, effort, and strategic planning. But with the right approach, it can be a rewarding venture that brings financial security and growth. So why not take that first step today?